Welcome to IDES 2025. Here are some of the highlights. For Policía Nacional, it is a very important event that has been co-organized with INTERPOL and UAS Norway, and it shows the world our commitment to work together in international cooperation, technological awareness, and also security.
I have to express my gratitude to International Cooperation Division and the Operations and Digital Transformation Divisions, Interpol and Norway, for organizing this event. It's a very important event here in the school.
Countering drones is a very challenging task, and international cooperation is very important. We get to learn our colleagues abroad, and we learn a lot from them, and hopefully they can learn from us as well.
IDES 2025 has been truly one of my highlights in the drone industry. This year we have brought together entities within the public safety domain who truly needs to understand the value of drones, but also need to address possible fear and threats of drones. In this landscape, we have been able to find possible solutions that enables the value of drones, but also that can deal with possible threats now and in the future.
Our main task is just trying to anticipate the threats, trying to analyze on a holistic approach. This is a good opportunity in order to put together the academia, the industry, the law enforcement, and the military in order to combine efforts in some kind of comprehensive approach to the threat.
I have been presenting our foresight report called The Unmanned Futures, how more capable unmanned systems will challenge law enforcement or provide possibilities for law enforcement in future operations. Colleagues have been sharing very delicate information and opinions about capabilities and capability gaps.
And here we are sharing with other countries internationally, sharing about challenges and solutions in counter-drone and drone forensics.
This is a great gathering of all relevant stakeholders when it comes to counter-UAS or responding to public safety events. Not many conferences in Europe are built only around the counter-UAS ecosystem, so it's great to be here.
You're not sitting alone in your country and try to figure out how to solve things. The other countries around you, in Europe and abroad, they are in the same situation, so you can get a lot of knowledge, insights in the collaboration between other countries.
We got to meet so many different departments, public safety departments, security companies, everybody under one roof. And in just like 2 or 3 days, you are able to really understand and learn from so many different partners as to what they are doing and what kind of challenges they are facing and how best we can work and collaborate with them in order to bring this technology to the masses.
As drones are evolving, technology is evolving, police need to evolve with the threat, with the tool, with the evidence, and this is why we do the Interpol Drone Expert Summit.
It was a pleasure to organize IDES 2025 here in the National Police Academy in Ávila, and I hope you enjoy the experience and share all the knowledge and the expertise in the use of drones.
What we've seen is that partnering with our international partners to help validate, learn new techniques and skills, and ensure that really around the world that we're all doing the implementation in the way to just be the most effective for saving lives and being able to support our communities. The world has become a smaller place as time goes on, and we're seeing the trends and things that we need to be considerate of and contemplating as we respond to public safety concerns and threats, that we can really learn a lot from each other.
When public safety work together, we learn, we grow, we understand, we network, and we build relationships. It's really critical in public safety aviation that we treat this as a team sport. When we all work together, we're better for it.
IDES 2025 is over. Chris, what has been your highlights?
The highlight is drones are evolving not just by air but into land and sea, and so we are evolving the drone expert group to cover those areas next year.
And for you, Angel?
IDES is the best place for the police collaboration and for sharing all the knowledge.
See you next year.